Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be fitting this awning to my patrol. I got it from a company called Direct 4x4. I'll leave all the relevant links in the descriptions box below. Stick around till the end because I'm going to see if I can put it up by myself. I'm obviously fitted to the vehicle by myself, but I want to be able to know, can I pull it out and put it away again, just single man operation. So there you have it. Not too difficult for one man by himself to mount. Now let's see if we can go and pitch it. Okay, well, I'm pleased to say that wasn't too much of an arduous task. There was a couple of moments where a second pair of hands would have come in handy, but it definitely wasn't impossible to put up by myself. Everything is really nicely put together, the way these legs that come down fold up into the front ridges here to tuck them away nice and neatly. And exactly the same, these long arms that support it down the sides here also fold away neatly into these two channels, making everything nice and compact. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the exact reverse of that, and I'm going to put it all away again. So we'll see if that's any harder than putting it up. So there you have it. Not exactly graceful, but not very difficult to put away. While I was doing it, I thought of a couple of things that I could have done to aid myself and not make it look so ridiculous with bits falling over here and there, but you know, these things will come with practice. I can definitely give it a massive thumbs up. Again, direct 4x4 is where it came from. If you want a cheap and effective awning, I would definitely go for these guys. It's almost identical to the R-Bonds at a fraction of the price. Look them up and see what you think. Alright, give my video a thumbs up there. Leave a comment in the comment section below and just let me know what you think. Thanks very much. I'll see you next time.